Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we are going to make some amazing banana muffins. For my recipe today, I have 2 cups or 300 grams of all-purpose flour, and all-purpose flour is also called plain flour in many countries. 1 cup of granulated sugar, 200 grams. 4 large bananas, this equals exactly 433 grams. 2 large eggs, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 gram, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 to 2 grams, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 5 grams, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, 7 grams, a half a cup of salted butter, 114 grams. Because I am using salted butter in my recipe, you may omit the salt if you wish. A few walnuts for the top of the muffins. And for our last ingredient, 1 cup of chopped walnuts, 100 grams. These here are optional, but they are nice when you see them on top of the finished muffin. So those are the ingredients. Let's get started. To make this super easy, I'm just going to mix all of my dry ingredients together. So there's our cinnamon, our salt, and our baking soda. I'll grab a whisk and just very gently mix all of this together. You save a little time doing this. So I'm going to get in all of my very ripe bananas, and then I'll just quickly mash them all down. So if you've never used this tool or never seen this tool, this is for potatoes, usually when you're making mashed potatoes. That's good. You can see how quickly that works. It's a very good tool to have. Then I'm going to add in all of my butter. Just give that a little whisk. It smells amazing. Let's get our vanilla in before we forget. Oh, that smells even better now. I am using pure vanilla. I always use pure vanilla. If you can find it, make sure you buy that. That's good. I'm going to add in both my eggs. If you wonder why I put them into bowls, it's just easier to get a shell out. If I crack the egg directly in here and you lose a shell, it's a little harder to get out. So this is just an easy way to do it, and that's the way I do it. If you want to crack them in directly, you can do that as well. Then we'll just mix all of this up. So you can use a hand mixer if you wish, but you can see this works really well just by hand. If you want to see this same recipe in a banana bread format, I'll put a link to it underneath this video. Okay, that's good. We'll add in all of our sugar. Get that in. Okay, so I'm ready to dump in my flour, but I just thought I would show you a different way you can do this. So our walnuts here are eventually going to go in here. You can take a little bit of this flour out That's good. And you can mix that around, and that will help separate the walnuts once it's in the batter. We'll just get all that mixed up. Make sure I'm on camera here. Just like that. There we go. Now I'm just going to start slowly adding my flour. And at this point, your oven should be preheated. Make sure you get right down to the bottom. Make sure you get everything well incorporated. Well, it looks good. And then our walnuts. Make sure they're all in here. And that's it for the recipe. So let's fill up our mold. So my oven is set right now to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 177 degrees Celsius. So just try to be as even as you can while you're filling. Okay, there we go. Everything has been filled. And for our last optional step, I've just got a walnut for the top of each one. Just choose your nicest ones that you have. Now some of these muffins are going to be a little bit bigger than the others. Unless you measure super accurately, there will be a little bit of a difference between some of them. There we go, there's a nice one for that one there. How's that look? Maybe one extra little piece for that one. That looks good. Let me just flip them around here. So now I'm going to pop them into my oven, I'm going to bake them, and then I'll be back. So here we are. Let me just get that on there nicely. So I baked the muffins for exactly 25 minutes at my 350 degree Fahrenheit oven, which is 177 degrees Celsius. So these look amazing and they smell even better. I wish you could be here to smell this with me. Anyway, I'm going to let them completely cool down and then we'll open one up. Here we are again. This is about 45 minutes later and they are still a little bit warm, but I can't wait any longer. So let's get into one of these. So let's just open this up. Look at that. Ooh. Oh, this is amazing. Let's just break into this. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Whoa. That is so good. Yum. That is so good. What can I say? If you love banana bread, you've got to try out my recipe. Super easy, super moist, and that's it. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out there at BakeLikeAPro. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I am going in for another bite. This is so good. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Perfectly baked. Still super moist. Look at this. Yum. Oh, that's really good. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.